फटाफट खत्म करेंगे। जय माता दी, जय माता दी। लेट्स रॉक।
अभी तो सिर्फ पेंसिल है।
ओके। अय्यो 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 10 on 10 now। मैं क्यों नहीं सोई? तो ओ ब्लडी वेट।
No, reaction was 11 bro on 10.
पर आप मूव करोगे ना तो काम खराब हो
ये
जाएगा।
देखो, एक बोलने की जरूरत थी।
Okay, ready. Finally done this. Hello guys, welcome back, and today I'm here at the Brow Master. I'm being very adventurous because I want to get something done to my eyebrow. What? I will explain. No, I will not explain. Ashtami will explain. That's Ashtami. I want to get something done to my eyebrows. What exactly? She'll explain.
Alright, so we are doing machine hair stroke to Hansika, as is the most advanced technique that we have. We offer a lot of different brow services, but the best one is machine hair stroke, and that's what we're going to do for Hansika.
How long is the procedure? How long does it last? What exactly is this?
Okay, so is this how you want the final look to be?
See, I want to fill it up. You can also guide me through it. If you see my real eyebrows, they're really thin and there are gaps in it. And I also have a major gap here. I had done something before, like first, I don't know anything about my face. This is me being very adventurous about my eyebrows.
Okay.
But I love your eyebrows. There's proper shading done
All
in your
right.
eyebrows, right?
Yeah.
So I want something like that, but it looks very natural.
Okay.
And you suggest now. You're like staring into
So,
my
no,
eyebrows.
so I'm just about to tell you that what you've done is complete shading, and it looks great on you in fact actually.
Okay.
And complete shading is actually the easiest method. We just have, yeah. But would you be open to creating few strokes and having a bit of a gap in between the hair here, or you like completely filled in look? No gaps.
Can you give me like a example of it for me to
Yeah,
understand?
let me do that. Let me just
Yeah.
grab my phone. So the front has gaps. And then like after the first 20-25%, then it is completely filled in. This
What do you suggest?
This looks more natural.
So we'll do this.
We'll do this for today, and if you want to come once again and you want some changes, because what you see today is not final.
Okay.
You will see final after 20-25 days.
Come, today I'll take the sabar ka imtihan because I'm sure I'll be one of those clients who will be like, it's gonna hurt.
It's more in the head. If you want, I can give you like a flower extract remedy which takes away fear. I used to have it before exams. I keep it for my clients as well.
What is that?
It's called Mimels. Like before bungee jumping or something, if you consume it, then you don't feel that scared.
Really?
It like gives an adrenaline rush wherein like
Gift. We'll try this also. I'll have it.
Huh.
And how much time will this
should
take?
do the threading before, I think.
Yeah.
You should remove the extras first. Then
Yeah.
we will remove your makeup, and then we will apply numbing for about 25 minutes.
Okay. See me without the procedure, guys, and after the procedure, you're gonna be like, oh my god, wow. Good. See how thin it is now? Oh boy. Okay, I'm good to get started.
ठीक है, numbing लगा देते हैं.
इससे कुछ नहीं होता, मुझे पता है. सिर्फ फील गुड फैक्टर है. ये हो जाएगा नाम. She's also laughing inside her mask. I can feel it.
15 minutes later.
You do this side first, the mapping, and then we will match on the other side.
Okay.
So, I'll tell you what your right eyebrow like goes
Little curvy.
little curvy also and goes a little higher also. This one was slightly lower, but this was giving a nice curve and lift. The rest is everything you only. We've not changed anything. Main change is here only.
Very scary.
It is scary.
रोशनी अच्छे से करना. नाम गोना कॉल मोना जी. वेट, अभी तक शुरू ही नहीं कैसे मैपिंग की है. I'll call you. अभी शुरू करो. Okay. वाहिगुरु.
अभी तो सिर्फ पेंसिल है.
Okay.
I'm nervous. I don't know how this is going to turn out. We'll get there. Another 45 minutes, we'll get to know if I've taken the right decision or not. My guru. Needle. If it hurts, just stop, okay?
It won't pain. इससे बस tingling effect होगा हल्का सा. That's it.
खुद ने करवाया है?
नहीं सब यही
तो फिर चलो चलो फटाफट खत्म करेंगे. जय माता दी, जय माता दी. लेट्स रॉक.
पर आप मूव करोगे ना तो काम खराब हो
ये
जाएगा.
देखो, एक बोलने की जरूरत थी. मेरे को डला रही है रोशनी यार. वाहिगुरु 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 वाहिगुरु. You are moving more than me. Oh, we have this also. Oh bloody wait. रोशनी, good girl, very good, very good. Go slow babe.
अच्छा कर रही है. कुछ नहीं है.
हो गया?
Very good. अभी पेन हो रहा है?
नहीं ठीक है 1 minute break चलो we're gonna do this ayo stop baby stop okay Roshni I need someone's hand please sorry
1 to 10 कितने नंबर का लाइक पेन है?
on 1 to 10 the pain is 3
तो रिएक्शन वाज 7.
no reaction was 11 bro on 10 I think my pain threshold is 0 in general
एक्शन स्टंट्स कैसे करते हो? वही
वो सब करने को हो जाता है that I don't have a problem
ओके.
just with needles I think I'm very
Needle phobia
scared
is a different thing.
yeah
ऐसा कॉकरोच फोबिया भी होता है कुछ लोगों को.
मुझे है ना
अच्छा.
कॉकरोच उड़ के आएगा मैं भी उड़ के जाऊंगी कॉकरोच एंड कैट्स
कैट्स भी.
yeah if a cat is next to me I'll be in the other city I'm very scared of cats
Bandra is full of cats.
that's why I don't stay in Bandra no
माइक्रोब्लीडिंग कैसे करा है?
मम्मी का हाथ पकड़ के और भगवान का नाम लेकर मम्मी को ले ही आना चाहिए था
या नेक्स्ट टाइम.
नेक्स्ट टाइम
गुड वी कुड डू समथिंग. मुझे लग रहा था द वे यू वर इन द बिगिनिंग कि हो पाएगा कि नहीं. विल हैव टू लीव इट हाफ वे और व्हाट.
क्या करूँ मैं
इस साइड का करेंगे अभी.
तो अभी मैं
हाँ you'll have to.
रोशनी वेट स्पीड पकड़ती हूँ मैं उसको काट देती हूँ नहीं रुको ओके डन अच्छा प्रोसीजर ही खत्म
नहीं
तो डन क्यों बोल रहा
2-3 पासेस होंगे इसके ऊपर.
ओके आई कैन कॉल माय मम्मी Mona ji approved guys come on make me meet my mom she's helping me it's her place
Hi auntie, you should have come as well.
Thank you.
We are missing you. She's remembering you a lot.
Lord बहुत अच्छा खुशी के बारे में फूल ही नहीं समा रही सो गई मैं क्यों नहीं सोई bro she slept bro रोशनी in the beginning it hurts more I feel
So there are some spots which are more fragile.
तो ये अभी इतना मतलब परफेक्ट लग रहा है टू बी ऑनेस्ट तो ये 7 दिन के बाद और लाइट लगेगा
फ्लक्चुएट करता है कलर फॉर द फर्स्ट मंथ. फॉर द फर्स्ट मंथ वो थोड़ा सा लाइट डार्क होता है. आप पेंसिल लगा सकते हो अगर चाहिए तो आफ्टर 5 days. क्विकली बता देती हूँ आफ्टर केयर का क्या क्या है. यू कैन लाइक आई सेड यू कैन वॉश योर फेस वंस अ डे बट लॉन्ग शावर हेड बाथ्स यू हैव टू अवॉइड फॉर 5 days. सलोंग वॉश आप कर सकते हो बैकवर्ड बट ब्राउज के थ्रू पानी एक बार जस्ट क्लीनिंग जितना जाना चाहिए ऐसे लाइक लीजरली शावर यू शुड नॉट बी डूइंग फॉर 5-6 days. स्प्लैश थोड़ा फोम वोम लगाया अगर आईब्राउज में तो माइल्ड फोम यू कैन पुट बट अदरवाइज प्लेन वाटर इज ऑल्सो फाइन. एंड लाइक आई सेड फ्लक्चुएट करेगा कलर थोड़ा सा 25 days के लिए. उसके बाद ही समझ में आता है कि हील्ड क्या है. अगले 4-5 दिन थोड़ा सा स्कैबिंग होगा पील्स आएंगे तो उनको ऐसे हाथ से खींचना नहीं है. लेट देम कम आउट ऑन देयर ओन. बाकी आईब्राउज के ऊपर सोना नहीं है. डू यू स्लीप ऑन योर फेस और बैक? फेस पे सोते हो तो आईब्राउज पे नहीं सोना था तो उसका क्या करोगे?
नहीं सोएंगे नींद ही तो है बट इट्स लुकिंग वाओ
उसमें ना हीलिंग स्टेजेस वगैरह हैं. लाइक सेकेंड डे दे बिकम अ लिटिल डार्कर और उसके बाद फिर थोड़ा सा पीलिंग वाला स्टेज आता है एंड देन इट बिकम्स लाइट. तो दैट्स व्हाई आई वाज टेलिंग यू कि अराउंड डे 25 के आसपास समझ में आता है फाइनली क्या है.
Okay, ready. Finally done this, and I think it's turned out to be amazing. It's better than what I thought, and it's only because of Ashmi. Come here. Give her a tight hug. Thank you. This
Great
was-
job by her because she's petrified. She came in petrified. She was so anxious. I gave her medicines to calm her down.
Yeah, she did.
And I thought we'll not be able to finish this today, but we did, and it's doing fab.
So there is a journey with these eyebrows. Tomorrow it'll get darker. In 10-15 days, it gets lighter. So I'm gonna keep giving you updates. So I'm gonna show you tomorrow how my brows look. Yeah, I'll take you through the process. See you guys. Good morning, and I've woken up with like a swollen eyebrows, and I have a little bit of pain. I don't know if you can see the swelling, but I can't touch this area. So this is day 1 after the micro nano bleeding. If I'm still getting it right, it's actually a machine. It's not like blade. It's like a needle thing. So yeah, this is a bit painful. I'm very happy with the job. It's gonna get darker today. That's what they told me, and then it's going to shed little color. Yeah. Final update on my eyebrows, and it's completely settled in. It's looking nice. It's looking natural. I'm stepping out. I've done nothing to my brows. I like this. I like this. It was a good decision, I guess. And yeah, I hope you like this vlog. You know the drill. Like, share, and definitely subscribe. And I will see you next Friday with a new vlog. Mwah.